Vanessa Valer, gracias a Jaime Mata, director general adjunto, gracias a Juan Merino, director regional Castión y
Okay, so Stefan, congratulations. How was it, TT? It seems that the wind played a factor today.
Yes, the wind was mostly headwind, so that was an advantage for me because it made the TT harder and I could really play my specialty. And yeah, I wanted to do the maximum because I knew that with a good TT, the general classification was also still possible. I'm really happy to take the win and take the yellow jersey now, although I feel sorry for Enric with his mechanical. I would have preferred to win like only with the legs and not with such a thing happening to him, but this is a sport.
I don't know if the DGC was an option when you started this week at the Volta con Lagunita Valenciana.
No, not really. I mean, I did all the classics until the Tour of Flanders, and then after the Tour of Flanders, I did 3 days without the bike, and then I felt that my body was like already relaxing, and so in the beginning was hard to get in the rhythm again. But then from the first day on, I felt really good here, and also in the climbs, I felt really good. And yesterday, I tried to do my best and limit the losses, and yeah, so yeah, I mean. If somebody would have told me that I'm going to be in yellow before the last day, I would have said, yeah, you're joking. But so with bike racing, you never know what's happening. You just have to believe in your strength, and then everything is possible.
And almost a perfect week for the team, and you have a last chance tomorrow with Arnaud.
Exactly. We want to take another stage victory tomorrow. Arnaud showed in the first sprint that he's really good. We have a really good lead out, and we will try to nail it once again. And also bring the yellow jersey home. This would be a perfect week then for us.